Welcome to the GaraguGarag YouTube channel. Yesterday, means in the last class, we discussed about the exponents and powers. So this is already, you know that this is the CBSE Mathematics 8th standard exponents and powers. So in the previous class, these laws and basic concepts. So these are whatever the concepts we are going to cover in this chapter. So those all points we discussed in the last class. So today, that continue part, that is exercise number 12.1. So this is not a common example. Whatever the examples means questions they asked in the exercise, in the chapter, textbook, exercise, whatever the questions they asked, that's we are going to discuss here. First one, exercise number 12.1, in that first question, evaluate. So evaluate here, first one is that 3 raised to minus 2. So evaluate, they told that here that evaluate means you have to write in a normal number form, not in an exponent form. After doing simplification, write it in that form. Particularly they will give that, keep it in the exponent form only. If they want in exponent form, keep it in exponent form only, they will ask. Here, simply they said that evaluate. So already we know that the form as e raised to minus m equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. So that rule you have to apply it here. Here, this is 3 raised to minus 2, write it as 3 raised to 2. 1 divided by 3 raised to 2 means 1 divided by 3 square. So what is the value of 1 divided by 3 square? That is 9. This is the evaluation. Okay. Next one. Here minus 4 raised to minus 2. Minus 4 raised to minus 2. And before going to explain this example, one concept in maybe in 7th and 6th you learn this one. Here, if the number is positive, if the number is if the number is negative, then exponent is even. If the exponent is even, then whatever the value you will get it, that is a positive. Remember, if the number is negative, then power is, exponent is even, then positive value you will get. See here, minus 3 into minus 3, that is minus plus 3 is a 9. If the number is negative, then exponent is odd. Exponent is odd. See here, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So minus plus minus. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is a minus 27. And if the number is positive, there is no difference in that. Whatever it may be, exponent is, it may be even or it may be odd. See here, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is here 8. See, there is no difference if the number is positive. Exponent may be even or exponent may be odd. If number is negative, so that time, if number is negative, if the exponent power is even, then number is you will get it as in a answer, you will get it in a positive way. And if the number is negative, then exponent is odd, then negative number only you will get. So same concept we have to apply here. First you have to apply this law. Minus 4 raised to minus 2. Write it here like this, minus 4 raised to 2 square, minus 4 square. And 1 divided by, so minus 4, this is a negative number, and exponent is what? Exponent is even. Exponent is even. So if the exponent is even, then negative will become a positive. So 4 square, 4 is a 16. 1 divided by 16. And next one, third one, 1 divided by 2 whole raised to minus 5. 1 divided by 2 whole raised to minus 5. See here, this is a 1 divided by 2 whole raised to minus 5 is there. Means minus 5. Reciprocally how to do it? 1 divided by 2 whole raised to 5. 1 divided by 2 whole raised to 5. And next 1 divided by 1 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 5. 1 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 5. This 2 raised to 5 will go up. 2 raised to 5 divided by 1 raised to 5. So what is the value of 2 raised to 5? 2 2s is 4. 4 2s is 8. 8 2s is 16. 16 2s is 32. 32 divided by 1 raised to 5 is 1 only, you will get it. Remember, if 1 raised to 1000, then 1 only. Okay, and what is the value of 0 raised to 99? No, not it. We can't able to define that number because 0 is nothing raised to exponent. There is no value for that. So that's why there is no not defined. Here, if 1 raised to 5, then value you will get it 1 only. And 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 5. Already I explained 1 divided by 2 raised to 5 here, positive, it will become a positive, and then equal to 1 divided by 1 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 5. This 2 raised to 5 will go up. 2 raised to 5 divided by 1 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 means 32. And divided by 1 raised to 5 means 1 only. So answer will get it as a 32. Okay, this is the first question. And next we'll move on to the second question. So shall I write this? Okay. In this exercise only, this whatever the examples, whatever the questions they ask in the textbook, those all questions I am going to discuss it here. Second one, simplify and express the result in power notation. Express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Remember, see here, last question just simply they asked as an evaluate, but here particularly they given simplify and then express the result in power notation. Power notation means exponent notation only, and with positive exponent. If the exponent is negative, you have to write it in a positive exponent. First one, minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. I will make so I will do like this column and then we'll solve. 1 divided by 2 cube whole raised to 2. Third one, minus 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 raised to 4. 5 divided by 3 raised to 4. So 1 by 1. They told here express the result in power notation only. Remember, express the result in power notation. Don't write it in a number notation. Means particularly whole number, not in the exponent form at all. So see here, minus 4 raised to 5. This is minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Which formula have to apply it here? That is a raised to n divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Here minus 4, 5 minus 8 raised to 5 minus 8. Minus 4. So 5 minus 8 is how much? Plus into minus minus. Here smaller number minus greater number is there. Here plus is there, here minus is there. If the sign are opposite, then do the subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3, but greater number sign. Greater number sign. That is minus 3. So they told write in an exponent form only. Yes, it's an exponent form. Second one, positive exponent. Is it positive exponent? No, it's not a positive exponent. It's a negative. So once again, a raised to minus m equal to 1 divided by a raised to n. That's how to apply here. That is minus 4, 1 divided by minus 4 whole cube raised to 3. Minus 4 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 divided by minus 4 whole cube or minus 4 cube. This is exponent form and exponent is in a positive. They are not told that base number should be in positive. They told only exponent will become positive. In that form you have to keep it. Here this is the final answer. Now come to here. 1 divided by 2 cube whole square. So square take inside. So that is a 1 square divided by 2, 3 whole square. 1 square is 1 divided by, you have to multiply this one. See here, e raised to m whole raised to n equal to e raised to m into n. So these two, 3 2s are 6. 2 raised to 6. 1 divided by 2 raised to 6. Now come to here. Minus 3 raised to 4 is there. And 5 by 3 raised to whole raised to 4. Minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. How to simplify? So you already means the number is correct or not? Yes. Minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4. So how to write this one? So they are already in the exponent form only and all exponents are in positive only. Is it necessary? Is it necessary to simplify this one? Yes. Here two terms are there, minus 3 and 3. How to make this one separate? Just do it here. Minus 3 you may write it as minus 1 into 3 raised to 4. Minus 1 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 whole divided by 3 raised to 4. So separate this one. Here a raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab raised to m. If ab is there, separate the term a raised to m and b raised to m. Like that you have to separate it. Minus 1 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. Shall I have this one this side? First one. Yes? Is it understood? Okay, that continued part I'm going to solve it here. So that's why I have to rub this one. So minus 1 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 is there. Now these two base are same. Minus 1 raised to 4, what you will get the minus 1 raised to 4? This is negative. This is the negative number and this is the even. If it's a even, then negative number will become positive. So you will get as a 1 multiplied by 5 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. Here also 4 is there. Base 4 minus 4. 1 is there. 1. Every number factor is 1 only. Leave that one. 5 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 0. 5 raised to 4. 3 raised to 0 is 1. Okay. 5 raised to 4. This is the final answer. This little bit means in a different ways there. If whatever the based on the question, some students will think that this is the final answer. No, it's not a final answer because here minus 3 is there, here also 3 is there. How to make it in as a 3 and 3 and then simplify it. Here minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 3 whole raised to 4. Just you have to separate the term 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 and then this minus 3 you have to separate. Here minus 1 into 3 whole raised to 4 and take this 4 inside. So that is a minus 1 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. So this 3 raised to 4 is there. Minus 1 raised to 4. It will become a 1 only into 5 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 minus 4 is 0. You will get this is 1 and 5 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 0 is what? A raised to 0. So what you will get the value here? A raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 5 raised to 4 is 5 raised to 4 only. Don't write it in a particular means next value. Means 5 is 25, 25, 5 is 125. Don't write it that one because they told only give the answer in exponent form. Okay. It's a very easy concept. Huh? So next one. In this third question only. First, second, third. So shall we have this? Okay. Next one, fourth one, 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to 10. 3 raised to, minus 10 is there. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. Fifth one, 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 whole raised to minus 3. 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 whole raised to minus 3. See here? First one, 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 is there. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Okay. You may hear two ways are there. This negative exponent you may convert it as a positive, or directly you may apply the formula as a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Only for this is how to apply that. So that one, because they given the bracket based on the board mass, so that is a division we have to solve first. Don't solve it as a multiplication. Board mass, bracket of division and then multiplication. So see here, 3 raised to minus 7 minus of minus 10 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. 3 raised to minus 7 minus minus of minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Here 3 raised to minus 7 minus minus plus 10 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. 3 raised to here minus plus is there. So sign or opposite means do the subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3. And the greater number sign, 10 is a greater number. Then positive you will get multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. Now base terms are same. 3 raised to 3 plus of minus 5 equal to 3. 3 minus 5 equal to 3 raised to, here plus here minus is there. There is no sign is plus. Opposite sign, 5 minus 3 is 2 and greater number sign is minus 2. Okay, 95% is over. Next 5%, this exponent should be in positive. That is 1 divided by 3 square. Okay, this is the final answer. One more time I will explain. First, here 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 is there. First you have to simplify this one. 3 raised to minus 7, e raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. This is a minus, this is a m. Sorry, a m n. A m n, m minus n. So that is minus minus plus, minus 7 plus 10. And here sign are opposite, minus plus it will become minus. The 10 minus 7 is 3, greater number sign is plus. 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. So 3 raised to plus into minus here. Once again a raised to m into a raised to n. Means add the exponent. 3 plus of minus 5. 3 raised to 3 minus 5. Here sign are opposite, plus and minus. So it become a minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 3 raised to 2. Greater number sign is minus. 3 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 divided by 3 square. So 3 raised to minus 2 you may write it as 1 divided by a raised to n. So that is 1 divided by 3 square. It's the final answer. You may write it as 1 divided by 9 also, but they are not asked. They asked only in a power notation. 1 divided by 3 square. This is the final answer. Now come to here. 2 raised to minus 3 is, question is correct or not? Yes. So obviously it's a correct one. 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. What will do here? Just you have to check it. Base term are not same. These terms are same. The exponent terms are same. If exponent terms are same, a raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab whole raised to m, you have to apply this one. 2 multiplied by 7, this is minus 3. Okay, and 2 7s are minus 14, plus into minus minus 3. Yes, now 90% is over, but this exponent is not in a positive. So now apply a raised to minus n. Okay, 1 divided by minus 14 whole raised to 3. Yes, minus 14 whole raised to 3. Minus 14 whole raised to 3. So this is 1 divided by minus 14 whole raised to 3, final answer. Okay, 2 questions are over. First question is evaluate, next one is the simplify and express the resulting power notation with positive exponent. Okay, I hope you all are understanding whatever the questions I am explaining. Now, find the value. So how many questions are there? 4. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So these questions we may discuss in next class, next video. So after this video, whatever the video going to upload, in that video, next question will be there. 3. So third one and fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one we'll discuss in next class. Okay. Until then, take care and don't forget. If you like the videos, it's an explanation, everything. If you like, just don't forget to subscribe the channel and share to your friends. And if you are going in this GaraguGarag channel, you will get it 8th standard related, whatever the chapters are there, those chapter explanation with effective explanation and all exercise I solved there. We'll get it. One more thing, story also there. So don't forget to listen the story. Okay, we'll meet you next class. Take care. Bye bye.